Sunday. How are you all doing? So welcome to another vlog. Let's move. We'll be going out today. Me, my sister over here, and my cousin. I don't know the location yet. I'm telling you guys are going to go out, so I pray that today works out for us. Okay, so basically that is that. See ya later.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through.
My sister's place. I came to get clothes. Let me know if I'm the only one that does this. I'll definitely know I'm not the only one. Yeah, so as you all know, she's my elder sister, so some clothes she was not using, she called me to come get them. So that was what I did, and I don't used to miss all those kind of opportunities, you understand. Clothes are over there. I'm going to show you guys later. So that is it for that. I'm about to take cornflakes because I'm hungry. My sister did not cook anything for me. That's it. That's the update. See ya. Mwah.
This summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you?
Loves, good morning. So today is Saturday. Basically today is Saturday, guys. I look so somehow. I'm going for a wedding with Momsi. I want to start the makeup now. I'm going to do Momsi's makeup and then I'll do mine. So basically that is it for today. So I'll keep you all updated. Wow.
Love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I am so tired. My room is a big mess. I don't think I have the strength to arrange. Tomorrow is Monday. I have to upload a video tomorrow and I am not done editing that video, so I want to try and finish that right now. And I also wanted to go down tomorrow and do some run around, but then I don't think I can because I have to keep this place in order. So I think tomorrow I will just take care of everything and just rest, and on Tuesday I would go to town instead, basically. So yeah, that is that for that. I feel good, guys. Lately I've just been trying to take control of my life. I've been trying to watch more videos on YouTube on how to control your mindset, on how to control your temper and things like that. And to be honest, I feel great. I feel good. I think we're going to talk about the temper thing another time. I'll give you guys the gist on that. So yeah, yes, I've been working on myself and lately I've been feeling pretty good and I'm so grateful for that. I thank God. I also prayed about it, so God has been so faithful. So yes, I think till tomorrow because I want to edit that video. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for that. Guys, this is my phone's here. Please, if you have any remedy, let me know in the comment section down below. Although somebody told me that my hair follicles have died. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, good morning / good afternoon. I don't know what time it is, but I'm sure it passed 12. But I have been sleeping non-stop. Today is Monday. I just finished cleaning up the room. Oh, this fan, I'm sure not making noise. Let me off it. Back to where I was. So last week I told you guys that I went to my sister's place to get some clothes here, like some clothes she's not using anymore. So we're just going to do a mini haul now and I'm going to try them on, literally just see how they look because I've not tested them. So we're going to do that together. So let's just do that now.
I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up, go and sleep alone. boy some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?
Hi guys, I'm just coming back. Let me give you guys the gist of my day. So I went to town. I went to like 2 different locations, 2 different hospitals to submit my documents, because as you all know, I'm still looking for an internship space. So one accepted, I submitted in one hospital, and then the other one said they are not accepting interns for now. So I loosed my hair. I went to salon, I loosed it, I washed my hair, and then I made, what do they call it, corner roll. I made all back. Yeah, to give you guys some trick and tips if you're a YouTuber or planning to do YouTube. If you want to make a video like the last video I made, that was the one I was styling my braids, guys, the average duration on that video is not nice, it's not encouraging. I'm getting views, but then the average duration is not encouraging. And do you know why? I feel the reason is because that video does not have, like, there is nothing I am saying on that video. I am just showing without talking. Everything on that video is just the background sound. I was not telling people how I did this. I was just showing them for them to see. And why was it like that? I wanted to actually talk. Like, I wanted to make a voiceover, like a tutorial voiceover and everything. But then when I started, I was making so many mistakes, and I was behind time. I've not finished editing. I was supposed to upload that video that Sunday night and all. So I just decided to just let it be like that. Just make the background, just have a background song, and then allow people to watch me do it instead of me talk while doing it. I also looked at some other videos. I said that, okay, some people don't used to talk, while some talk. So I was like, okay, no, while this video they're still doing well, but everybody's not the same. In case you are planning to have a future video, a future tutorial of you doing something, no matter how stressful it's going to be, even if you are going to stay all night, just stay all night, because if you upload this video, you have uploaded it and it is there. So just imagine taking your time to do a video, and then you not start having some regrets later. Nobody has complained about me not talking in the video, but I know that's why the average duration is low. I know. So yeah, that is it, guys. I went to the hospital today, and I went to submit it. I wanted to submit today. Like, the first hospital I went to, it was so nice. It was giving me the blood vibes, you understand? And I was like, hey, for now, by God grace, and now set me in this kind of hospital. I'll not carry this my knowledge that I have now to the hospital. Like, I really need to read, because you get me. So yeah, basically that is just that. I feel fine. This is my phone's hair. Guys, give me solution that is not that expensive, please. I'll see you all later. Mwah. Hi guys, so I want to give you all a little update before I go to bed. See this, I don't know if I'm going to call it pimples. Let's see what's going to happen before tomorrow. When I wake up tomorrow, I'm very sure this pimple is going to increase. It's going to be bigger than this. As in, I'm sure it's going to be bigger than this. I hope it's not, but you know this feeling. You already know that this pimple is going to go bigger than this, because it was not like this when I filmed in the afternoon. I came back, it was not as big as this. You're not seeing it like this, but I started feeling the pain. Like, as small as this is, it is very, very painful. So I started feeling the pain. I just started touching it. So I think as I'm touching it, it's getting big. Let me just try for the last time. Okay, I'm not touching again. So tomorrow I'm sure it's going to increase. So let's see. Yeah, so this stuff over here is castor oil. So castor oil is supposed to have come like in a bottle, but when I was leaving school, when I was packing my load from school, I could not find the cover of my castor oil. I was using a tissue to cover it. The way I was covering it, I could not start packing it like that. If I pack it like that, it's going to pour away, because now I was just packing everything in the box, in the Ghana must go, so there was no particular place to just keep it. So I had to turn it into this spray bottle. So someone told me on my YouTube channel that I should be using castor oil. Though I saw it online then, that castor oil is good for the hair, but I was using it then, I was not seeing any effect, so I stopped using it. But since someone has given me the idea, has handled the idea in my head, or has given me the memory to go back to my castor oil, I just had to pick it on the floor because it was standing there since. So I'm going to use it today. Let me just put it on my hair. Yep. I remember well, you're going to massage this on your hair for like few minutes. Okay, yeah, so that's easy for that guy. Hi guys, today is another day. I came to give you guys updates on my nails. So yeah, this is how it is. I don't think the size actually increased though. I'm a human being, I cannot predict the future, can I? And I think the pain even reduced. I think the pimples is drying out already, and I thought it was coming up. I'm going to the shop already, I'm dressed, I'm putting on a gown and a jacket. And guess what? I'm not using a wig today. I'm going to leave my hair like this. Yeah, because I'm nobody's property, yeah? And I don't have strength to put on a wig. And since this hair is still new, I'm going to take it like this to the shop. Most times I don't like taking my hair out because of my front hair, but lately I really do not care anymore of what anybody wants to say. So that's that. I'm going to see you all later. Ayoma. Yeah, bye. Guys. Guess what? I am so happy. I am so excited. Guess what? I just got my tripod. I'm so happy. I just got my tripod. Let me put this here. So I have been seeing this tripod online, yeah. I wanted to get a tripod, but then I've been checking online. So in one place I saw 12. The man was selling 12k. Yeah, so I was like, okay, this is quite cheap. Then I checked like other places. I was seeing 20k, 25k. So I was like, okay, maybe that man's own was like a low quality, and then they have like a high quality or stuff like that. But the man said you can use it for phone and camera. So basically, what I did was, the money I budgeted was 25k for the tripod. But then I was like, if I want to get a good one, I just want to get a good one. I don't want to get something less. So if I just want to buy, let it just be one, let it just be good, you understand, because I'm going to use it for like ever. So I don't want to get something less. So what happened was, I checked online. I was like, okay, since if I buy from this man now, I have to pay for way bill because it was in Lagos. So I was like, okay, I can just buy this in Abuja. I can go to Wuse or Panex. Yeah, so that's what I did. I was budgeting 25k. I was trying to save for it, and guys, I've been at home, there's really no where money is coming from. Yeah, so I just try to save for it. And also my best thing today, I slept just call the woman Bino and then greet her, and then send cards to her, like surprise her and send cards to her. Like, my baby girl now surprised me and sent me 10k. God, I was so happy. And then with everything, I just decided to go buy a tripod today. Yeah, basically, guess how much I got this? I got it for 12.5. Let me do the unboxing here, yeah, so that everybody is going to see it on me. So this is how it came in this bag, and yeah, it has like this handle here. Guys, I was just smiling when I was coming. I was just smiling. I could not wait. Yes, this is it, guys. And I also got a phone holder because you have to get a phone holder, because I wanted one for camera and phone. Yeah, so I got a phone holder. This was for 1.5. Guys, don't know the excitement. When I went there and I was like, how much? They said 12.5. I was so excited, because if this was like the particular one I was seeing online, they were showing me 20k, 25k, I was so excited. I didn't know even price. I just said okay. I said, how much for phone? I said 1.5. I said okay, because I was happy that I still have something in my account. I'm not going to go dry. Yeah, so just in case you want to get the tripod, I'm going to be showing you guys the card, and or just in case you're in Abuja and want to get price. Price first. It might be cheaper than 12.5. I think they might sell it for you for like 12k if you price. Yeah, so let's continue with the unboxing. I'm going to put it on the floor and then come back and show you guys how it is. Guys, I'm so excited. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so See, I think I'm having like collection of tripods. Let me show you guys. So basically these are like the new collection over here, and this one, this one, this one. These two I got them from AliExpress, and then this one is the recent one that I got from Ruse, and then the phone holder over here. Yeah, so basically that is it for today. I am just coming back. My teeth cannot stop shining. I'll just say this to my mother to come. Let me show her. She'll be like, ah, this girl, you have carried this thing on your head. She doesn't know. Yes, I've carried it on my head though. I love what I am doing, guys. I love the fact that I am putting up videos on YouTube. I love the fact that I am creating things. Like, who would have thought of it that me, Purity, is a YouTuber and is creating video and editing video? But then funny enough, as I continue doing it, I continue enjoying it. I want to do more. I want to do better. Guys, it's so nice. Let me show you guys their card before I forget. Sorry. So I got their card because, you know, now we have to grow. So by God's grace, I'm going to get my camera. So when I am ready for that, basically this is their phone number. But just in case you want their phone number directly, you're in Abuja, you want their phone number directly, just let me know. Tell me in the comment section, hit me up on IG, anything. I'm going to send you their phone number or the address over here. And then I told you now, the budget was more and then tripod was less. So I was working. After buying tripod, I was going home gingerly and wirely. I did not disturb anybody, and I saw this one selling nice slippers. So your girl just decided to buy one of these, and this is so pretty, guys. I got for 3K. So yes, the man does not have a card. He was just outside selling. No, he does not have a shop. If not, I would have directed you to him. So yeah, go get something to eat. I'm so hungry. I'll hit you up. Hi guys. Can you tell that I'm using my new tripod? So today is Saturday. I want to get dressed. I and my cousin, actually, we are going to my sister's place. I have like something we want to go for today called karaoke night. I'm going to sleep over at her place, and then we'll come back tomorrow being Sunday.